Right, we are in Zimre Park. I'm just driving through to show you the fuel queue going to Puma service station in Zimre Park. I know it's no longer news when you see a fuel queue, but when it comes to such kind of a queue, it becomes news and sends signals during this COVID era. As you can see, the queue is very long. I'll try and get to the end of the queue. You are live on Slymediatv. Just showing you the situation on the ground today, the 30th of May. This is Ntare Highway, and on my right side is Zimre Park. Almost getting to the service station, which is on our left, and this is Puma service station. This is the queue, and this is the service station, and a few cars are getting their petrol, and that's the situation here in Zimre Park. I don't know where you are right now. If you have same situation, please send us a small video. Thank you.